Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install MongoDB locally on your Windows 11 operating system. And so all you have to do is look to this website. You have to just come to this website, to the MongoDB website. So mongodb.com/try/download/community. So just for convenience sake, you can type in MongoDB download into your search engine and then click on this first link here. So that might be first stuff for you. So once you're on this page, you have to scroll down and what I'm trying to do, we are trying to download the MongoDB community server. Okay, so you scroll down and download the current version. At this point, the current version is 6.0.8. So and that's what I'm going to download, and then you select the Windows x64, and then you can either load the package as MSI or as a zip file. So but I already downloaded mine as an MSI file because that is faster and easier. So I already have it downloaded. So all I have to do is click on this on the file here. Okay, click on next. Then these are the terms and conditions. So you can read them. You can also print the terms and conditions if you want to read it. Okay, so click on next. So at this point, it asks us to choose the setup type. So it is advisable that we choose the complete setup type because that way all the program switch features are going to be installed. Okay, as you can see here, and also it's saying down here that the Mongo shell must be installed separately for Windows installation. Okay, so basically that Windows shell is a client that allows us to like communicate or like interact with our MongoDB server. So basically what we're trying to download now is the MongoDB server, like I said earlier. And if we are to download this Mongo shell, it's going to allow us to interact with the server via the command line. Okay, well, another way to also interact with the server is through the graphical user interface, and we're going to get there in a second. But to install this Mongo shell, you can just click on this download now link, and then it gets bring you to the download page. Okay, thank you. So you scroll down, and then you can download it. But we're going to come back to this. So click on complete, and then here everything the way it is. Okay, install MongoDB as a service, one service as network service user, and then this directory is going to be the data directory, and then this is going to be the log directory. So just click on next, and then it's asking us, do you want to install MongoDB Compass? You have to leave everything the way it is and then click on next. So basically this MongoDB Compass is the official graphical user interface for MongoDB, just as you can see here. So just like Mongo Shell, this one allows us to interact with our MongoDB server, but this one is via the graphical user interface. Like it's via the user interface. While Mongo Shell lets us interact with MongoDB server via the command line. I hope that makes sense. So we want to install this MongoDB Compass. So I'm just going to click everything the way it is and I click on next, and then click on install to begin the installation process. So this is going to take a bit. This is going to take some time. Okay, just click on yes. It's asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So you click on yes, and then once it's done, this usually takes some time. So I might have to pause the video, and then once the solution is done, I'll continue the recording. Yeah. Okay, so the installation took quite some time due to my internet connection, but now everything is installed. So click on finish, then I can open the MongoDB Compass right here. So you can click on start. Okay, so this is the um, MongoDB Compass. Okay, all right. So this is connection connection string for default MongoDB server. Yeah, I'm sorry, database. So you don't have to change anything here. You can just leave everything the way it is. MongoDB // localhost 27017. So click on connect to test this out. Okay. Okay. So basically, these are our like default databases that we have here. So you can create a new one by just coming here and since you can create a new one by clicking on this plus icon here, and then I can call it let's say my one was called database, and then I can call my connection well collection or name it tags, and then create database. Okay. Okay. So basically you can add data here by clicking this add data icon, and then you can import your data as JSON or CSV file, comma separated values, or you can insert document. So let's try that out. So we have this here, and you can add to it by saying name testing. Okay, then okay, let's stop there. Testing. This should be in quotes. I'm not getting it. Okay, there should be a comma there, I think. Yup. So click on insert. Excuse me, this is not zero. So that's just it, and then you can look around. Okay, you can view the schemas, do a bunch of things there. Excuse me. So this is the GUI. So the way to interact with the MongoDB server through the command line using the Mongo Shell that I talked about earlier. So the way to install it is by coming to this link right here and then clicking on download. Well, I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to go to where it is on my file, and then I'm going to extract all, and I'm going to extract. Okay, let me go back. What's happening is I want to show you how to interact with the MongoDB server using the command line, and the way you can do that is using the MongoDB shell. Okay, because if you remember when we're installing the MongoDB and the MongoDB compass, you saw a link to download the MongoDB shell. Okay, and I explained that MongoDB shell is like a client that allows to interact with that allows us to interact with MongoDB server through the command line. So a way to download this is by coming to this, by clicking on that link that we saw earlier, or by coming directly to this website here. Okay, and then coming on that tools and then MongoDB shell, and then clicking on download. So make sure you download the current version. Make sure the platform is correct, Windows 64-bit, and then you can only download it as zip file, so there is no exe file. So and then you download. Oh, I already downloaded it earlier, so that is why I get to come to my downloads and then should open a folder and then try to extract this MongoDB zip file into the MongoDB file in my local disk. So I'm going to right click on this file and then click on extract all, and then I'm going to extract it into, okay, it's already, let me go back. So local disk, and then program files, and then MongoDB itself, go down. Okay, this is it, and then select folder. So you want to extract it into this folder or into this directory here. So and then click on extract. So I need to provide an administrator permission to extract it. So that is all. It's done. But there's still one more thing. You won't be able to use this Mongo shell unless we add it as an environment variable, and I think I already did that. But the way to do that is this. So open up this, okay, and then open up bin file, yeah, bin folder, and then make sure to copy this path, okay, and then Windows plus X, and then you search for edit environment variable. So this is environment, so it's already up, so let's click on it. Then you click on environment variables, and then under system variables, not user variables, under system variables, click on path, okay, and then click on edit, okay, and as you can see here, okay, no, and then you click on new, and then you paste that part that you copied, paste it down and click on OK. But I already set up, before, so I'm not going to set up again. I'm not going to add it again, so I'm just click on cancel. But in your own case, well, let me just try to be so it's a bit display. So this is it right here. When you add, it's going to show up here, and then click on OK, and then click on OK again. And that's all. And then OK. One last OK. Okay. Now we can now run our CMD command prompt. So if I type Mongo Shell, now I should work. Yeah. So it's already connected to our default database. So the way to see my current database is by clicking on the command like show DBS, show databases. So can show everything. So I can see these are the databases we saw earlier in our MongoDB compass. Okay, and this is one I just created. And the way to like create a new database through the command line is by using the command like use, and then I can say use let me say use task manager. So what's going to happen is going to, so basically this use command, it allows us to like change our working directory, um change, like move to a particular database. But and I'm not sure that was clear enough. Like this use is going to change, it's going to move into the directory name the database name that you provide. Okay, but if it's not currently there as it is now, because task manager is not already is not the database. So if it's not already there, like in this case, it's going to create it and then move us into that database. So as you can see, when I click enter, you can see switched to DB task manager. Okay, so that is it. That's the way to create a new database. That is in a nutshell how you can install MongoDB on your local machine on your Windows operating system. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching. Bye.